loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luisa, or welcome if you're new here. Today we'll be doing this natural makeup look. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, let's begin. So today we'll be using this palette. It is by Essence and it's called All About Bronze. This tends to be, it's a small palette, so great for if you want to travel and you know that you're just really going to do natural makeup looks or eyeshadow looks rather than something, you know, fancy or full glam. But anyways, we'll be using this color that you see right here for the crease. It's like a soft, I mean, they're all different shades of, you could say bronze, and evidently from the name of the palette. But anyways, remember to use a crease brush. It's really more of like a medium-sized round fluffy brush. And we'll be applying this all over the crease of our eyes. Please note that I don't tend to speed up any of this process because there may be some beginners on my channel or some people who really just need to see how to apply eyeshadow. I know that sometimes it may not necessarily be confusing, but you just want like proper guidance and you don't want someone to just like run through it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Apologies, forgot to mention, I did get this eyeshadow palette in Switzerland when I was living there, but I think you can get it online. I'm pretty sure it's only like 10 bucks to be honest. And you know, nowadays you can literally find anything on the internet. So yeah, it should be on the Essence website. For the next color, we will be using this ashy brown that you see here. Apologies, I didn't show it in the original filming. I'm not sure why, but anyways, you already know. Pointed out here. You will be using a small rounded brush, and you apply this all over the outer corner of your eyelid. Now, for me, this tends to be the darkest color that we apply. We, as in like, you know, for me and my makeup looks, usually tends to be the one on the outer corner because I always want things to blend in properly and to just add a bit of definition. But yes, so we'll be using this small rounded brush and again, apply all over the outer corner of your eye. So this is one of my tricks. If you watch one of my videos, then you already know, but I tend to use the back of an old like eyelashes case that I used, I think by Ardell or whatever. But it's just basically kind of like a cardstock paper. You can use an envelope if you fold it in half. So this is where we blend. I will say it again for the people in the back. It is time to blend. Blending is so important. You don't want your makeup to look choppy. You don't want it to look, I don't know, like you just like, I don't know, just splatting on colors onto your eye. And regardless of what makeup look you're doing, whether it's full glam, whether it's something that's like, you know, glossy, shiny, and like 10 different colors, hopefully not, or just a natural glam, you want to make sure you always blend it out. You see me using the same brush that I use for the crease. I really love this for blending. I usually use this every time I do blend. So here you're going to see me do this, I think, twice. Usually it's at the very end, but sometimes I like to do it in the middle of the process. But anyways, I'm using a big round blush brush since I don't really use blush. But anyways, we're going to use that to wipe off any excess that might have fallen. Again, because this is the darkest color, or really any eyeshadow you have. You don't want it to ruin the foundation and everything you've set already. Now, for the third step, we're going to use this small flat brush and use this kind of bright pink color on the palette all over our lids. Remember to use setting spray because, again, this is a pigmented color and you want it to shine just as bright as it is on the palette onto your eyes. I would say spray between 1 and 2 pumps. I think you see me do 3 because for some reason the spray bottle like missed and went to the right. I have no idea. But anyways, just 1 to 2 pumps. And yeah, and then you will dip the brush obviously into the color on the palette and onto your eyelids. For the fourth step, we'll be using the same color that we used on our lids, this rosy pink that I show here again, for our lower lash line. I always like to use the same color that I use on my lid, or the main color on my lid, onto my lower lash line. But again, it's up to you. Really up to your preference. If you want a bit of a darker kind of smoky eye on the bottom line of your eyelash, or your lower lash line, then use the ashy brown color that we use. But for me, I really wanted to just make this like a natural glam look. Last but not least, you always see me use this white bright shimmery color for the inner corner of the eye. Again, this brightens up the look and completes the look you can use a small pointed, like rounded brush or a cotton swab. I couldn't find my other brush, so I was like, you know what, just quickly for filming, we're going to use a cotton swab, and I really enjoyed it because you'll see there my face of shock when it applies on. It's completely tightly packed on, like perfectly. But yeah, if you don't have any brushes that you could use at the moment, then go ahead and use a cotton swab. I think, to be honest, from now on I will be using a cotton swab. But yeah, and apply it all over the inner corner of your eye. Alrighty, loves, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I have lashes on, eyebrows, everything. My hair was already done, but you know, I just finished some final touches. Eyeliner. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys liked it as much as I enjoyed making this video. And yeah, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Kisses. Mwah. Bye.